A beauty, big nash, sexy of a woman can attract a man to her, but the character will let him stay. And at the same time, six packs or handsome can attract a woman to a man, but the character will let her stay. Don't be too proud because you're beautiful or handsome, but let your character make you proud. Because the differences between a white bird and eagle, a white bird will grow more beautiful, but an eagle is the king.